Lesson 8a. A Day in the Park. Nick, Stella, Mum and Dad went to the park. There was a pagoda next to a lake. There were some men playing cards. They watched the fish. They looked at the ducks. Dad bought some popcorn for the children. We're hungry. Nick and Stella ate some popcorn. Stella gave some popcorn to the ducks. Listen, can you hear? Nick heard some music. Mum didn't want to go on the Ferris wheel. It's too high. Dad, Nick, and Stella went on the wheel. Did you have a good time? Yes, we did. Then they went home. Which word sounds different? Listen and circle the different word. No, go, home, to. Phone, mouse, house, cow. Chair, bear, ear, pear. Train, rain, watch, cake. Can you say it? Oh no, don't go. There's a bear with long hair on that chair. The brown mouse ran into the house. It's a grey and rainy day. Match the present verbs with the past verbs. Watch, watched. Give, gave. Hear, heard. Have, had. Eat, ate. Buy, bought. Go, went. Last weekend we had a great time. In the park we went to the top of the pagoda. Then we had a soda at the cafe. We heard some birds singing in the trees. Then we bought hot dogs from a kiosk. After that, we ate our hot dogs on a park bench. Then we gave some bread to the birds.